Hi everyone, Yuliana here, and today I have a very special video for you. So imagine that you want to do a photo shoot and you don't really have any wardrobe and any styling, and maybe your model didn't bring anything. So today I'm going to show you how to use this simple male button-up shirt, and you can use any of them to style your shoots. And now I'm going to show you four major ways, and there is a different variation within them to ensure that you can have many looks with just one item. Okay, so the first is obviously just to wear it as so and get with the mood of kind of oversized shorts. So of course I would suggest you to roll up the sleeves and kind of have your model can just kind of pose just like so with the shirt. Well, which this is understandable, right? Just kind of poses in situating the waist will be always very nice, very feminine. The next item I would suggest you to add is the belt. If you don't have, you can have a scarf. You can just let your model borrow your belt and have it and tighten up. And the reason why you do that is because you can give your model waist to really move. So now you're free with your hand, and she can really gives you some poses, and it really looks really nice, and it creates this nice X shape, which is very feminine and very flattering. So next you can change a vibe a little bit with, for example, have your model wear just one shoulder, so which makes kind of more sexier appeal, just like that. Or you can make it two shoulders, just like so. I personally really like this look. I like the way it creates this very nice, strong, graphic, elegant look. It looks very nice, very powerful, and your model can do a lot with this. It goes nice with the earrings. It could go nice with the long necklace. So I really like the way, just pull it on the shoulders, and usually the collar will stand a little bit to create that very nice strong V shape that I think looks very feminine, very elegant, very vogue. Next, what you can do is just take the collar and tuck it in. And look what a beautiful, nice, clean line it creates. So now it doesn't really look like a short just because this has no collar. It has this beautiful, clean, long V cut. And again, it will look very nice with some long necklace. So it has different vibe because shoulder section covered, and you just have a much more like elegant kimono style type of thing going on there. Okay, so for the next look, we will just wear the shirt just as so, which creates this nice covered, very editorial type of thing. And you can either ask your model you can just wrap it down, you can pin it on the back, and either you can ask your model just hold it just as so. And by the way, when you use oversized shorts, they're quite long, so they can be used as a dresses. I wear a skirt just for the convenience of changing, but it looks really good without, just like a dress. And your model can pose as so. But of course, if you want to give your model the freedom to move, I would suggest again to use a belt, just as so. Pull the sleeves a little bit, and look how awesome it looks. Very strong, very vogue, editorial type. I like how the collar goes very close to the neck. So it creates a very strong look. And to make it even more fashion, very vogue, I would suggest maybe to wear some chunky statement necklace, just like that. Or even just like that. Look how beautiful it looks. Very vogue, very editorial. Not to mention that this set will look also very cute from the back, because you get that nice open back, so your model can pose just like that as well, which creates very romantic, kind of delicate feminine style. You can also bring the collar a little bit lower, just as so, and create more space, and it looks really like a dress. It is definitely long enough, as I mentioned before, and it's really accentuate the female shape with the belt. Belt is a key, I would say. It's really great with this. You can use any type of belt. I use the white one. You can use a scarf, just a scarf. Just see that it would match, but it's definitely a good way as well. And of course, you can try to toggle in just like so, and have this beautiful look at that. How nice and pretty it looks. And ask your model, put it a little bit lower and create this from the vogue. You can go with the very romantic and nice, sweet, feminine vibe. So open shoulders usually always give that kind of romantic appeal, and your model can pose with kind of bring your arms a little bit inside and create that vulnerable, soft, sweet look. So now I show you two ways with many variations how you can use the button-up shirt. But I'm not done yet. There is two more ways, more creative, that you can do. So the third way is you want to wear your shirt on one arm and bring it up to another and button as tight as possible. And now you can take the extra sleeve that you have and wrap it around just as so. So with this, you can either pin it on the back, you can have your model just to kind of hold it there, or again you can wear a belt. Just as so, and look how cool, avant-garde look you have. Very fashionable, very different. And for the last option, I want to show you how you can create from the button-up shirt kind of strapless open dress. So you just wear the shirt, this is the collar, you just button it as tight as possible in this area, and then there is two ways to deal. Either you can bring sleeves and you can tie them in front, just as so. It looks like a little cute dress, and again it does long enough to be just this dress. As I said, I wear a skirt just for convenience. Look how cute it looks. Also, you can take the sleeves and just wrap it around if you don't like them show in front, And here I would just suggest you to either tuck it in, or you can use a pin. Like I have one in the studio, I cannot find it. So just as so. So if you pin it, your model will be free to move again with her poses. I think it looks super cute. Of course, you can wear a belt as well. The other way you can wear the short is just ask your model to wrap the short around, just as so. Take the sleeves and wrap it back, cross it, and just, if it's long enough, the model can tie the sleeves. You can pin it with the pins. Look how awesome, what a beautiful neckline it creates. It really looks like a dress. Either your model just can hold them just as so and pose, or you can pin it even with the bobby pins or any pins that you have and remove them in post-production, or you can always use a belt to create as much movement for your model as possible. I think it looks super cute. And now one more trick, you can also bring the collar up, just like so, to create this very cool glamour V shape. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope you get some inspiration and some ideas. If you decide to choose some of them, please do tag me in the pictures. I would love to see it. Comment down below which look was your favorite, and if you want me to do more of videos like that, please put thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to see more videos like this. I would definitely love to see you back on my channel, and hopefully I can see you next time. Bye!